Hello, my beautiful people. This is Dr. Destiny. A lot of people I hear now is talking about getting out there and lifting weights. I'm going to tell you, if you're a beginner, just beginning, trying to lift weights, please be wise. Start out small. This is 5 pounds. And I think you can handle this. Or maybe 10 pounds, which is a little heavier, but you may be able to handle that in moderation. 15 pounds is going to be way too heavy for a beginner. Now, this 45-pound weight, baby, this thing is heavy. So you don't try to make this work for you. Only thing you can do for this 45 pounds, you might can pick it up, but baby, you gotta sit on it. And then you wait until your body is created to handle more. See you at the next video.